It's time to commence the inaugural ceremony with the opening remark of Dr. K. Selvakumar Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Green Energy Technology, Coordinator of the one-day Additive Manufacturing Workshop towards Sustainability.
And I like to thank our head of the department, Professor Arun Prasad Sir, UNESCO Chair and Head. Continuously, he is appreciating and encouraging us to do multiple workshops towards the sustainability. As a UNESCO Chair, he is doing multiple activity, and I'm glad to be part of this one of the event. And once again, I welcome all the participant guests and faculty members from our own department and other department from other departments. So once again, I welcome you all. Thank you so much.
At the very outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed Vice Chancellor of Pondicherry University, Professor P. Prakash Babu, for kindly consulting to inaugurate this workshop to deliver an inaugural address. Sir, please, we are deeply honored your presence and continue encouragement to constant source of the motivation for all of us.
Very good morning, all of you. The guests on the dais, Dr. Rakesh Kupunur, and my colleagues, Dr. Rakesh Selvakumar, Professor Jafar Ali Dean, Dr. Arun Prashant, Head of the Department, and speakers, Mr. G. Sudhakar, Mr. Samrat Deshpande, Mr. P. Lakshminarayana, Mr. Amit Saxena, and other members who have come here from all the way from the institute from Hyderabad, and also my colleagues sitting in the audience with the same department, and scholars, students, and other participants, and the media people, and my staff. It's another occasion for me to be with this department. And this has been working towards the green energy and sustainable development for the last several years. And this is one of the unique features of the department or the university to have such a kind of department. Not many universities are having such a kind of departments in anywhere. Very few universities are having a department in the name of green energy, and as part of the Patanjali School of Environmental Sciences. So for today's, one of the topics that today's workshop is the additive manufacturing or the 3D printing. I think this is the one of the specific and focused area they have taken up, and maybe the speakers from Hyderabad Institute that they are very kind support of this particular area. And this is unlike the traditional printing, as we know that we have been printing up to 2D, but the three-dimensional printing has taken up the important role in the scientific advance and the research. And this is with the sustainability, as the UN Sustainable Development, one of the UN Sustainable Goals. When you have the precise technology, this is exactly what it means, this precise technology or precise designing, precise printing, always it prevents the lot of wastage. When you know the what exactly you wanted to print and how much material you want, so since it's a computerized, people will say that when we go out for any printing, they say that we'll go for a computerized printing. So it will have a precise, so it will not have any wastage. And also, when you know the material that you have to use it for this one, you can also design. So this has a multiple applications. So if you go to the across the industry, if you go to the manufacturing industry of the automobiles, it has the, so when you know the particular shape and size of this one with a design. So what they do is first they will imprint the design, then they go for the printing of that one. So that's how this is. This also causes the helpful in the energy efficiency and also design of the specific structure. And also repair is also very much easy and also accuracy in printing. And also some of the parts like in the automobile industry or aeroplanes or war designing, when you go for this, you can have the lightweight of the material and also efficiency in carrying the functions. So that also one can be designed. And there are several applications in this. If you go to the, apart from the automobile and industry, and you will also have the biomedical importance of this particular material. So without 3D printing, bio or medical sciences is not going to go to the next level. So once there is a, if you, for example, if you take the children met with an accident and it requires some kind of prosthetic part that to be replaced. So for example, let's say that one leg bone is fractured, then you have to design and you have to implant. So that will work out. But children are growing and it has to be replaced again. So in the traditional way of implanting that one is really risky and it will not go as required by the child. Any organ, even the prosthetic, dental also, even if you go to the dental place, when they remove one tooth, he says that you come after a few days because we have to design that one. So they design such a way that it will really go and implant in that particular socket. It will not cause any. So and also when you go to the other medical part of it, so now the organ transplantations are there, but we cannot regrow the organ in the culture laboratories. But there is a organoids can be cultured. These organoids, for example, imagine that now though this is in the nascent stage that the research to replace some part of the organ. You cannot completely, for example, there is a heart failure, you cannot replace the heart, but some part of the damaged portion can be replaced. Or if you take the liver is damaged, particular part, so you can culture the cells. It's called organoids with 3D cultures. You can design and you can culture that particular part and also you can replace it. So there are scientifically, it has been proved in the animal studies that they have replanted. So for example, if you take the China, they manufactured a ear of the human being, with the human nature and implanted on the nude mice. So it survived. So that means some of the organs which can be synthesized in the laboratory and can be transplanted. So though it is in the research stage, but we hope that because of this 3D and next level is going to be 4D, sir. So 4D also is going to come up using the AI and you can precisely design the organs also. So apart from the manufacturing units of the some of the industries, you can also go for the medical devices. With all these things, there are a lot of applications are there for the 3D printing. Therefore, the students, so you have to transform. So traditional way of studying, traditional way of improving your skills should be kept aside and you have to enter into the area where there is a lot of market is there. Now the next market is will be, everything will be attached to the sustainability. So you have to design such certain of the things, or you have to go with the technology development. At the same time, you have to see the sustainability. Otherwise, so the sustainability is not there. Every industry will have some kind of, so the government is going to make some kind of regulations where without any sustainability, so they will not even give the permission. So therefore, all the students are advised strongly to attend such a kind of programs and workshops so that you can always recoup that the new technologies that they are available. And also the department especially, they are making a lot of efforts in training the students and conducting conferences in these areas. I congratulate Dr. Arun Prashant and also Dr. Selvakumar and also the Dean, Professor Jafar Ali, for encouraging and conducting so many programs, and also all the faculty, in fact, they have been taking some role or the other in the sustainability, especially in the campus, and also promoting the sustainability. I wish this program will really successful for a day, and also I wish the guests who have come here will enjoy the hospitality of the university, Pondicherry University, and also they can also enjoy the Pondicherry. If they have not, if it is first time, please go around, and maybe Dr. Arun Prashant and Dr. Selvakumar will take care of that and go around. This is a very serene place and very beautiful place and very calm. So since you are coming from Hyderabad, so when you go to that place, you will really realize that, okay, such a peaceful place is here. So you will really enjoy the serenity of this place. And we wish you to come back again and try to have some kind of collaboration, because Dr. Arun or Dr. Selvakumar indicated that this is the first time the industrial skill development program that in collaboration with some industry they are doing it. So these continuous programs will always enhances the marketability and also skills that our students can always improve it. So thank you, and I wish you all best of luck.
Thank you, sir, for your shared wisdom and valuable insight. We are equally privileged to have with us Dr. Rakesh Kopanur, a renowned expert and key figure from NCAM Hyderabad, who has graciously accepted our invitation to deliver the presidential address. Sir, we are truly grateful for your presence and look forward to your valuable insight on the transformative impact of additive manufacturing sustainability. We welcome you, sir.
So good morning, one and all. On the dais, Professor Prakash Babu, sir, Professor Jafar Ali, sir, and Arun Prasad, sir, Professor, and Dr. Karthik Selvakumar. So thank you, one and all, for registering this workshop. So to brief about NCAM, I'd like to take a few minutes to give why we are here, and I just want to give the information to Professor and Dean sir also today to give why this workshop is all together here. So to just get back, by 2020, we have seen a lot of COVID things are there. At that time, there was a thought by Government of India to develop additive manufacturing in India. So at that time, they have taken up a policy called as National Strategy on Additive Manufacturing. So this strategy is now making into a ground level place where they want to do various activities under National Strategy of Additive Manufacturing. Under the National Strategy of Additive Manufacturing, National Center for Additive Manufacturing exists at Hyderabad, which is catering various industries, various needs for industries, and various academicians who all they need to know about this additive technology. In global world, additive technology or 3D printing, India is just lying 3 to 5% when compared to the total global world. So now government has fixed a target to develop this technology from ground level and make sure this technology benefits will reach to the ground level end to end. This technology is for all. It is not for specific people like engineering or medical or any. All if you take, you have jewelry sector, we have dental sector, we have medical sector, we have civil sector, we have biomedical devices, end to end, all 3D things which you want to prepare. If you go for a regular manufacturing method, there is a lot of processes involved. Here in 3D printing, you can involve from end to end. So this center is now catering almost has a target of skilling 1 lakh manpower by 2026. Today we are sitting this for educating you about the technology. We have got the experts who are resource persons having 15 plus years of experience in various domains in polymers, metal, and various additive technologies. So this will enlighten you to do your research activities. This will enlighten you to do some of the good applications, to do the innovations. And these things will be carried out today in the 4 sessions which are being planned for. Then apart from this, National Center for Additive Manufacturing is headed by Chief Executive Officer Jasprit Sidhu, who is hailing with 20 years of experience in this industry. And this center is a collaboration between Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Government of Telangana, which in collaboration has established this center with 100 crores infrastructure at the Usmania University in Hyderabad, center of the Hyderabad. So you can utilize the infrastructure. From our side, we are funding the colleges for these programs. We are funding the professors if they have any R&D projects. We are funding the students for developing of their innovative ideas. So this is a funding agency rather than educating agency which funds for various things. So we request you can follow our website where they will be giving regular updates and LinkedIn pages where we are updating our things which are happening. So I wish you all good for your technological upgradation today with my resource persons who are available, and everything will goes on in a positive way, and all the best. I'll give a brief and insightful about NCAM after this inaugural address. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your words. As we approach the conclusion of the inaugural session, I would like to invite Professor R. Arun Prasad, UNESCO Chair and Head, Department of Green Energy Technology, to propose the vote of thanks.
Very good morning to one and all. Good morning, guys. From Energy Tech Department of Green Energy Technology, on behalf of department colleagues and UNESCO Chair activity, I welcome you all. And of course, as said, it's my privilege to sincerely extend my warm welcome to our Vice Chancellor, Prakash Babu sir, for his constant support, encouragement, and guidance. So whenever we approach him for any event, his first question is, what are the benefits, if I am correct, and how it will be useful for the students, and how you are going to keep up, sustain it, and try to make it forward. Thank you very much, sir, for all your guidance. I hope we'll keep it, and I think we kept our promise in March event that we want to bring industrial academic interaction. So this is the first ever. I feel that 100% industrial people are here to give to decorate this one-day workshop on additive manufacturing for application of sustainable activities.